The other great thing with this, you can stream audio. So if we go to iTunes, we'll see there the red triangle, the 3 red circles. You can see it says sync underneath. Sorry, if I just press that, there's a tick next to sync. That means whatever audio is playing on your phone, it will come through the Bluetooth audio system if you have the audio system set right. So I'm going to turn this down. I'm going to control the volume from my phone. I'm going to click play, and then over here we go to auxiliary. Click auxiliary. Now that's come onto my mobile phone straight away. Sometimes you'll have a choice. For instance, if you've got anything connected to the USB here or the auxiliary, then you may have to press that auxiliary button 2 or 3 times until you come to your phone. I will now turn this up. I am still me. You are still you. That's it. That's how you stream audio. Thanks for watching.